Well, behind forming the team, it was we were talking here at the office one day, talking about one of Megan, our coworkers, her baseball team for her son, and then Tyler and I were talking. It would be a great idea to start forming our own team for softball. So I took a little peek on the website, see if there's anything we could find. And when I did take a peek, it was that week that it'd be the ending of the registration that we had to get it filled out. So we started freaking out about it, trying to find people to get signed up for the team at the time because we didn't have many people at the office that wanted to play. So we got a couple of friends together to join the team as well. And the team that we ended up forming was the Jets. And the reason why behind the Jets name was because one of our brands for our systems is the Sneak Jets. So we went with the Jets team, ended up using the Jets football team logo on there as well, just changed it to red. Worked out perfectly.
I was kind of like a shortstop position. I like controlling the infield, kind of helping everybody out because we had a lot of new players who didn't really know the rules. And then we realized pitching was actually really hard, so I had to take on that role. So now I'm kind of the primary pitcher.
Definitely communication. Communication is better throughout the team. I mean, everybody's bats are moving, starting to catch more. A lot of people are feeling comfortable with where they're at now.
I think it was definitely that one time where I brought my baby brother Daniel home from base. I think he was on third base. My mom was yelling from the stands, "Bring your brother home!" And so I did. That was probably my biggest moment.
What game stood out the most is when we beat Big Stick Energy. Everyone was just playing really well, and we didn't have any errors.
We have a lot of good players who are getting better, but I'm going to have to put myself in the all-star category as of now.
But for skill-wise, it'd probably be Tyler Martin.
Definitely Tyler, no questions asked.
Honestly, in my opinion, the team all-star would probably be me. You know, I got the most home runs this season, so I would say me.
Okay, John, so this might be a conflicting question, but who do you think the team all-star is?
It's in the air, honestly. Everybody's trying to say Tyler this, Tyler that, but I think Tyler's a little scrub. I would say myself. I was like,
Well, it's hard, you know, when you strike out all those times to be the MVP.
you know what? MLB players still strike out too, and they still do it big.
Yeah,
they got more home runs than this
they're
guy.
swinging at 100-mile-an-hour fastballs, not little lobs.
Hey, I don't care. I got more dingers than you under my belt. You got something to say, Tyler?
Yeah, I think I do got
You got something to say? Well, then come and say it then, Tyler. Come and say Tyler.
Whoa, guys! Hey, yo!
Come on,